Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine and doing well. We had discussed certain topics of Unit 3 and today we are going to discuss last topic of this unit, that is चिपको movement. Alright then let's start. शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. जो चिपको मूवमेंट है, इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एनवायरमेंटल मूवमेंट विच बिगेन इन इंडिया and also in the world, and it began in the early 1970s in the Garhwal Himalayan region, presently Uttarakhand, and this movement became a symbol of non-violent environmental protection. Basically, जो word चिपको है, it means to hug or to killing. और ये जो मूवमेंट है, दिस मूवमेंट गॉट दिस नेम बिकॉज जो विलेजर्स थे, स्पेशली वुमेन्स, दे स्टार्ट टू हग ट्रीज in order to stop them from being cut down. And ये जो movement है, this movement highlighted that it showed that कि जो ordinary people है, they can also protect the nature by using peaceful methods. ठीक है. Let's talk about its historical background and origin. First, talking about the environmental situation in the Himalayas. Before the चिपको movement, बहुत सारे forests जो है in the Himalayan region that was cutted for the commercial logging at a large scale for the timber, paper and sports goods, which further led us to the forest loss, and this forest loss further leads to the various problems like floods, landslides, soil erosion, water scarcity. एंड जो बहुत सारी लोकल पीपल थे वहाँ, दे depended on such forests for the fuel wood, for the water, agricultural tools. Yet they were denied access, while outside campaigns जो हैं, they were allowed to exploit forests. Talking about its immediate causes, a local cooperative called as the Soligram Swaraj Sangh, that is DGSS. This organization requested permission to cut a few ash trees to make farm tools, and जो forest department है, that refused this agreement. They refused their request. At the same time, it also granted permission to the commercial company to cut a large number of trees to make tennis rackets. एंड ये जो इनजस्टिस था, बिकॉज जो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट है, दे रिफ्यूज्ड द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ द सोलीग्राम स्वराज संघ. सो ड्यू टू विच जो विलेजर्स थे, दे गॉट एंग्री एंड दे ट्रिगर्ड द मूवमेंट कॉल्ड एज चिपको मूवमेंट. Talking about the role of its leaders, especially women, which include leaders like Gaurav Devi. She's also called as the symbol of courage. Like in March 1974, loggers जो है, they were arrived at Reini village, while जो men थे, they were very less in this movement. And Gaurav Devi जो है, she was a village woman, and she led 27 women in this movement. And these women, they start hugged the trees, and they stood between the trees and axes, and they told loggers, cut us before you cut the tree. So they completely protest for such deforestation practices. And जो loggers है, they retreated, and ये जो act है, it ultimately became a heart of the चिपको movement. Similarly, Sundarlal Bahugana, he was also one of the important member of this movement. He was basically a Gandhian environmentalist, and he took the movement to the national and international level, and he walked over 5,000 kilometers across the Himalayas to spread awareness. And his famous slogan जो था, that was ecology is permanent economy. Similarly, Chandi Prasad Bhatt, who was a founder of DGSS, and he believed in local self-reliance and community forest management, and he also focuses on the sustainable use of forest resources. ठीक है. तो talking about the silent features of चिपको movement, as I mentioned, ये जो movement है, this was a peaceful movement and non-violent movement like Gandhian सत्याग्रह, जिसमें जो वेपन्स हैं वो यूज़ नहीं किए गए, या इट वाज लेस वायलेंट। एंड जो प्रोटेस्टर्स थे इस मूवमेंट में, दे यूज पीसफुल रेजिस्टेंस और दे पीसफुली protest, like they hugged trees and they made it possible for the loggers to cut them. Similarly, women-led environmentalism और eco-feminism, जो वुमेन्स थी उस एरिया के, दे फेर सफर्ड मोस्ट ड्यू टू दिस डिफॉरेस्टेशन प्रैक्टिसेस। एंड जो वुमेन्स थे, दे नीड वाटर एंड फ्यूल for their animals, so due to the cutting of these trees, so this becomes less possible for them to get water and fuel and fodder for their animals, which further leads to the longer walks for the water and fuel, and loss of fodder for their animals. And they saw also forests as a resources of life rather than a profit. Hence जो चिपको मूवमेंट है, it became strong movement or example of ecofeminism. Then ecocentric philosophy, ये जो movement है, this movement especially challenged the idea that कि जो forests है, they only exist or they can be only used for the timber. एंड जो पॉपुलर स्लोगन था इस मूवमेंट का, दैट वाज व्हाट डू द फॉरेस्ट बियर एंड सॉइल वाटर एंड प्योर ऑयल ईयर। एंड ये जो स्लोगन्स हैं, दीज स्लोगन्स आल्सो शो दैट कि जो फॉरेस्ट्स हैं, दे प्रिवेंट सॉइल इरोजन, दे मेंटेन वाटर साइकिल्स एंड दे आल्सो प्रोवाइड अस क्लीन एयर एंड सपोर्ट्स लाइफ। ठीक है, फॉर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस एंड इम्पैक्ट्स ऑफ द चिपको मूवमेंट, which include the legislative and policy impact. Like in 1980, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi जो है, she announced a 50-year ban on cutting green trees in the Himalayan forests of Uttar Pradesh, which later extended to the Western Ghats and Vindhya range. And this became a major victory for the environmental protection. Similarly, national and global influence. ये जो movement है, this movement further inspired the Epico movement in Karnataka, and it also influenced other environmental movements worldwide. And it also helped to shape the idea of sustainable development, which changed the forest policy for profit-based forestry up to conservation and community involvement. ठीक, then scientific recognition, like जो scientists है, they also recognized that कि जो forests है, they stabilize the mountain slopes, they prevent floods and landslides, and they also regulate the water cycle. And ये जो मूवमेंट है, दिस मूवमेंट प्रूव दैट कि जो लोकल नॉलेज और जो ट्रेडिशनल विजडम है ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, दैट इज ऑल्सो वैल्यूएबल। ठीक है, फिर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ चिपको मूवमेंट, जिस जो सिग्निफिकेंस है चिपको मूवमेंट की, दैट आल्सो शो दैट कि जो ग्रास रूट मूवमेंट्स है, they can also change the government's policy, which highlighted the importance of community participation, and that also gave women a central role in the environmental protection, and it promoted the idea that protecting nature जो है, it is essential for the human survival. I hope it is clear to you. Let's summarize. Like जो नेचर था इस मूवमेंट का, दैट वाज एज आई मेंशन, दैट वाज नॉन वायलेंट एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेस्ट, और जो मेन मेथड्स थे जो कि यूज़ किए गए, लाइक जो वुमेन्स थे, दे स्टार्टेड टू हग अ ट्री सो दैट दे प्रिवेंट ट्रीज फ्रॉम कटिंग डाउन। और जो लीडर्स थे इस मूवमेंट के, दैट वर गौरा देवी, सुंदरलाल बाहुगाना, चांदी प्रसाद भाट। सिमिलरली कोर फिलासफी जो थी इस मूवमेंट की, दैट वाज फॉरेस्ट जो है, दीज आर द लाइफ सपोर्ट सिस्टम्स। और जो मेजर आउटकम रहा इस मूवमेंट का, दैट वाज बैन ऑन ट्री फेलिंग इन हिमालयाज। और जो ग्लोबल इम्पैक्ट था इस मूवमेंट का, दैट वाज आल्सो सीन। एंड जो ये मूवमेंट है, इट हैड आल्सो इंस्पायर्ड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट थिंकिंग। ठीक है, एट कंक्लूजन वी हैड लर्न दैट कि जो चिपको मूवमेंट है, इट इज़ वन ऑफ द हिस्टोरिक एग्जाम्पल of how ordinary villages, especially women जो है, how women जो है, they became powerful defenders of the nature. And this movement also brought that कि जो environmental protection है, that's not only a scientific or governmental task, but rather a moral and social responsibility. And even today जो movement है, this movement also teach us that कि जो nature है, that must be respected, and जो डेवलपमेंट है, दैट मस्ट बी सस्टेनेबल, एंड जो लोकल कम्युनिटीज़ हैं, दे आर द बेस्ट गार्डियनर्स ऑफ द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। सो गाइस दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा। अगर कोई भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए। सो दैट इज़ इट। आई होप यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव। डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू डिसिप्लिन टॉक चैनल। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।